part 1. I have my wallet. Have you seen this man? Hold on, let me get my 1. Actually, I need 2. 2 ones. I might drop my phone here. Alright, so this is going to be really hard recording because I only have one hand. Sir Bill. Ticket. Sir Bill. Eat! Alright, then we got, Sergeant 3. Thank God. I'd be so mad if we got F. What?